Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install Bear Player to your Android TV, Android TV box or Google TV or any TV device that runs on an Android operating system. This is going to be easy. Please, if you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV and want to install Bear Player, what you have to do is to go over to your browser. Any browser will work. In this case, me, I'm using the Google browser. You can use any browser that you have on your Android TV. Remember, this is going to work on Android TV. So on your browser, just go over to it, and in the search box or in the search box over here, type in the Bear Player application because that is what we want to install. So just go over here and type in Bear Player. So just give me a moment, let me type that. Bear Player, Bear, Bear Player. Now as you type in this, you are going to get a suggestion over here, and here's the application. So as you click on the keyword, you are going to see results like this. So there are several results to get the application. This is what we're looking for. But please choose the option that says play.google, or basically from the web version of Google Play. So here's the application over here. Just click on it once and it's going to bring you to the web page of Google Play Store, and of course you can install the application from here. Now if it is your first time, Google is going to ask you to log into your Google account with your email address or Gmail address. So just do that, and once you've done it, you'll be able to install the application to your Android TV. And it's as simple as that. And that's how to install the Bear Player to your Android TV, TV box, or any TV device that runs on an Android operating system. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.